Yes, I've completed another 5 surveys on CrowdTaskSG. How do I redeem the coins I have been rewarded?
Hey there, are you figuring out how to redeem your CrowdTaskSG coins? It's easy, let me show you how.
It's time for Gayle Guides.
Coins are earned after completing a task or reaching a new rank in CrowdTaskSG. Coins can be redeemed for cash rewards at any participating merchant that supports Net's QR code payment. Step 1. Log into your CrowdTaskSG account at crowdtask.gov.sg. Step 2. Select the menu at the top right-hand corner and select Rewards. Step 3. On the Rewards page, you can view the amount of coins you have and its worth in real dollars. The minimum of 100 coins is required to make payment. Select Scan to Pay button and allow the web portal to use your camera. Proceed to scan the next QR code printed or displayed on the participating merchant's terminal screen. The amount you claim would be reflected on your screen. Just slide to confirm the amount. All done. Please be reminded that your coins have a minimum validity of 6 months and unused coins would be forfeited.
It's nice to be rewarded while sharing my opinions. Thanks, Gayle.
Thank you for sharing with us your thoughts to make Singapore a better place to live, work and play in. I'm always happy to help.